Well, this has fixed it. This is an unboxing of a Vantamo ID protection stamp. One of the big problems everybody has these days is identity theft, and this stamp is to help protect you when you have addresses and receipts and credit card numbers. So let's open the box. As usual, I'm using a knife to flip up those corners so I can do it without damaging the box. Let's have a look what's inside. So there's a series of ink refills, 6 in all. There's an information card. There's an instruction leaflet. Easy to use instructions. And then there's the roller unit itself. So let's take a closer look at that. So as you can see, this unit has a pattern on the top of it, which obviously is what is on the bottom roller. And the idea being that you roll over something that you want to obscure and it prevents anybody from reading it or copying it. In part 2 I'll be testing it out and see if it works. I hope you liked the video. If you're interested in purchasing this, please check out the link in the video description, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out my other unboxing and money saving videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.